In this video, I'm going to share to you on how we can use the sum formula in Google Spreadsheet. So let's get started. So first is we need to open our Google Spreadsheet. So I have prepared this example for you. So in order to put or come up with the sum of these three values, we just need to simply click on the cell as to where we would want to put the sum or the total. And then just simply follow me for the formula. Type equal sign. Okay, it's equal sign. Just simply look at the formula bar from here. Okay, equal sign. And then type SUM, sum, and then open parentheses. Okay, it's open parentheses. And simply select the cells. Okay. Now, once you have selected all the cells that needs to be added or to come up with a sum, then we need to close it with a close parentheses and hit enter. And that's it. The total sum is 679. Okay, so that's how you can easily use the sum formula in Google Spreadsheet. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.